At this point in the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? Take 5 seconds to think. You can pause the video and take a closer look at the chart. To better understand the chart, let's draw a trend line. We draw the support and resistance zones by connecting the price highs and lows. The trend line has been broken here. After crossing the line, we see that the price is pulled back. We open a long trade. The target is below the resistance line ceiling. We place the stop below the last price low. As you can see, the price went up to below the resistance ceiling. Congratulations, you see that you were able to profit from the market using this method. The secret to success in trading financial markets is to look carefully, don't rush, and trade with a few simple lines. Trade with me.